car drivers not seeing approaching motorcycles cause a huge proportion of motorcycle accidents. The left turn scenario, with its often unexpected dynamics and severe impact in particular, results very commonly in severe injuries of motorcycle riders. The motorcycle follows a light truck. The driver of the oncoming white car wants to turn left. In this example scenario, the car driver cannot see the motorcycle, which is obstructed by the light truck. Therefore, the car driver decides to accelerate to turn left right after the truck passes by. Because car and motorcycle are wirelessly connected through their V2X communication device, a motorcycle approach warning pops up in the car's display.
Motorcycle oncoming.
The driver realizes the oncoming motorcycle and delays his left turn. The motorcycle safely passes and no critical situation occurs.